Hello guys, welcome to this video where we'll be guiding you through the best banks in the USA for international students. Here are our top 5 picks. At number 5 we have Citibank. Citibank offers accounts that are accessible to international students, with some accounts having no monthly fees. It's a good option for international wire transfers and has a global presence. Coming up at number 4 we have the PNC Bank. PNC offers a virtual wallet student account which includes checking and saving options with no monthly service fees. It also provides useful budgeting tools and online banking services. We have Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo offers a student checking account with no monthly service fee for students. It also has good online banking features and a wide range of services. Coming up at number 2, we have the Bank of America. Bank of America provides a range of accounts suitable for students and also includes checking accounts with no monthly fees. It has international wire transfer options available and offers a large network of ATMs and branches, which is great for ease of access and customer services. And at number 1, we have Chase Bank. Chase Bank offers a student checking account with no monthly service fees if you maintain a minimum balance. It also has an extensive ATM network and branch locations. If you're looking for online and mobile banking options, Chase Bank has user-friendly options. These are our top 5 picks and we hope you get to make a good choice from these options. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.